Today, I want to help you properly test the GFCI outlets in your home. The ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, is a crucial safety device in any house, constantly monitoring the power supply to connected devices. For instance, if a hairdryer accidentally falls into a bathtub filled with water, the GFCI detects the interruption in the current and immediately cuts off power, preventing potentially fatal electrocution. To ensure that your GFCI outlets are operating correctly, conducting regular tests, ideally about once a month, is essential. Here are some steps to follow. Start by locating the test button and firmly pressing it. You should hear a direct snap sound as the GFCI trips, disconnecting the power supply. Verify the power has been cut off by plugging in a lamp or any other device into the outlet. The lamp should remain off, indicating that the power has been successfully disconnected. Once you've confirmed that the GFCI has tripped successfully, press the reset button to restore power to the outlet. If the test button fails to trip the circuit, or if the outlet remains energized after pressing the test button, it is crucial to replace the outlet immediately. Alternatively, you can use a dedicated GFCI outlet tester to verify the safety of your GFCI outlet. Typically utilized by electricians, the tester not only checks the functionality of the GFCI, but also identifies wiring issues such as open ground, reverse polarity, open hot or neutral, and reverse hot and ground connections. To use a GFCI tester, plug in the GFCI tester into the outlet. Use the tester's built-in test button to trip the GFCI, ensuring the function correctly. This action replicates the pressing of the test button on the outlet itself. By following these testing procedures, you can ensure that your GFCI outlets are working as intended, providing essential protection against electrical hazard in your home. In addition to regular GFCI outlet testing, it's essential to remember that your electrical system in your home can be complex. If you ever encounter any issues beyond the GFCI outlet or need clarification on the wiring or electrical problems in your home, it is highly recommended to call a certified electrician. Certified electricians have the expertise to diagnose and address a wide range of electrical issues, ensuring the safety and functionality of your home's electrical system. Whether you are facing outlet problems, circuit disruptions, or any other electrical concerns, seeking professional assistance can prevent potential hazards and ensure your electrical needs are met safely and efficiently. Remember, it's always better to be safe and consult a qualified electrician when it comes to electrical work. Thanks for tuning in.